I'm walking outside, so it might sound a little weird, but the first video that I uploaded, it was like a copyright notice or something. So I tried to delete the music, but it actually deleted like the clips. So now that video is kind of short. And plus, I deleted like a lot of the videos because I needed storage. So yeah, sorry. I used 2-inch horsehair. It was soft horsehair, but you want to get some fabric and you want to sandwich the horsehair inside and fold it, and then you want to fold the tops as well, and then pin it down. Then you're going to use a zigzag stitch to sew it down. And I won't be using music anymore in the background because I don't want to come across these problems anymore. Now you're going to sew each side down, the left side and the right side. Then you want to take your dress and you want to just place it regular. So you're looking at the pretty side, the regular side. Then you're going to place your horsehair, and it's going to be like the ugly side. You're looking at the ugly side. So the pretty sides are touching. As you can see, the ugly side is up. So you're going to place the pretty side down, and then you're going to sew down on the far right. Then you're going to flip it, and you won't see the ugly side anymore. So now we're just going to sew the right side first. I try to leave like a little seam allowance sometimes, but sometimes that don't always happen, so it's fine. But like, it's a train, so it really doesn't matter, because I'm not about to mark half an inch upwards around this whole entire train. That's going to take too long, and I feel like that's just uncalled for. Now we're at the end. You're just going to place it on top, and you're going to sew the rest. And once you're done sewing the rest, then we're going to zigzag stitch it shut. Now we're switching to a zigzag stitch, and we're going to sew the horsehair closed. Now that it's all sewn, we're going to flip it over. Now we're looking at the inside of the dress, and the pretty side of the horsehair is showing. We're just going to sew it there, and that'll be a straight stitch. And as you sew, pull the fabric to the left a little. Try to make the right side as flat as possible. And when you come across a lot of seams, just make sure you go slow so you don't pop any needles or anything. Now you should have something that looks like this. So now we're going to sew the left side, and that'll be straight stitch too. And this is a lot quicker because basically everything is already sewn down. But that's basically it, and I'm so sorry for this quick tutorial. The other tutorial was more in depth. But again, the music thing, I tried to delete the music, but it deleted the entire clips. So it changed from like a 9-minute video to a 3-minute video. So again, I'm sorry. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and give me any ideas or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.